So this is the error issue that I'm getting while I am trying to install Yoast SEO plugin. Update has been failed and I'm getting an error message. Installation failed. There has been a critical error on your website. Please check your site admin email inbox for instruction. So in this video I'm going to show you how to resolve this plugin installation error issue. So I will be guiding you through the process, so stay till the end and watch the full video. First step, you need to go to the wordpress.org website, then click the plugin and search for the plugin you wish to install. Then download the plugin. Once the plugin is installed, go to your web hosting cPanel and look for File Manager. Next, go to HTTP document, then WP content, and plugins. Under plugin, go to upload. Look for the plugin that you have downloaded from wordpress.org. Once the uploading is done, click the plugin and then extract the file. It will take some time depending on the size of the file. Once it is done, go to your WordPress admin and then check the install plugin. You'll find that it has been installed. Now click the activate button. So that's done. Thank you for watching the video till the end.